Hello students, welcome to Abhyaas Law Prep. We have a good news today. WBNUJS West Bengal National Law University located at Kolkata has released a vacant seat notification very recently. Let's take a look at that. For that, you'll have to visit our Abhyaas Law Prep website where we regularly update all the NLUs that release vacant seat notifications and their application links over here. So when you scroll down at fourth number, one of the topmost universities of the country, WBNUJS has release a notification at fourth number is the link for the same. You click on that, you would be redirected to this PDF. Scroll down. As you can see here, the NUJS has released vacancies for two of their courses. The first one is BLB Honors and the second one is BSc LLB Honors. And this is absolutely a go-to for everyone who's interested in cybersecurity or science and technology and its intersection with the law. And in general category, we have 2 seats. In the ST category, we have 1 seat. And in the disability general category, we have 1 more seat for BLB Honors program. And for BSc LLB Honors program, we have 1 seat each for all of these categories. So make sure that you belong to the domicile of West Bengal ST if you're applying for the same. And here, you don't need to have a domicile. It's a general disability category, right? So the last date for applying to this vacancy notification is today. So make sure you apply for the same under this notification by the end of the day. So how do you apply for the same? There's no such application link or Google form that's been given by the university. So all you have to do is visit online sbi.sbi and search for West Bengal NUJS, West Bengal National University, and then select the payment category as admission application fee, and you will have to pay a fee of 2,000 rupees and only the payment through SBI Collect. That is the online sbi.sbi. Only that payment mode will be accepted by the university for its vacancies under this notification. You can also apply for non-vacant seats in other categories too. So even if you don't belong to this general SC and ST categories, even if you belong to a different category, you can still apply for this notification, and you can also apply for any of the courses or both the courses together. But you will have to pay 2,000 rupees for each of your application for the course. And sometimes what happens is when there is no availability, so then reserved seats can be and will be converted to unreserved seats when there is non-availability against this notification, correct? So you have to ensure that your rank is at least as per the threshold of the university cutoff in the previous years, correct? So make sure that you don't you do apply wisely. So you have to also ensure that you are checking with the university on the 11th of July for the merit list, where you'll have to see if your name is on it, because 4 days later, that is on 15th July, if your name is on the merit list released on 11th July, you will have to report to the university by 15th July 2 p.m. So if you report to the university after 2 p.m., your admission will not be confirmed, although your name is in the merit list. So ensure that you report to the university if in case you get selected under the vacant seat merit list that's released. So keep checking, keep staying updated for the website, NUJS website, and also our Abhyaas Law Prep for more such vacancy notification updates. All the best. Have a nice day. Thank you.